This is the new Keystone 3 Pro. This model has the Scrilla logo on it, however it does come standard in gray. In the near future you will be able to customize the backplate however you want, similar to mine. Just like the old Keystone Pro, the 3 comes with a high-res 4-inch touchscreen. It also comes with a USB-C cable for charging and firmware updates. Of course, it comes with a quick start guide, and it also comes with 6 sheets for writing down your wallet seed phrase. And if you decide that this wallet is for you, check out the link to the Keystone 3 Pro in the description for a sweet discount. The Keystone 3 Pro is more compact and shorter than the previous Gen 2 Keystone Pro, but it still has a responsive 4-inch LCD touchscreen. It also has a rear-facing camera to scan QR codes, a fingerprint sensor, and a charging port, as it does have an internal battery. Keystone decided to go with an internal battery to bring the cost of the device down. That way they could pass the savings on to their customers. And when the battery does fail, because batteries don't last forever, you can still use a wallet by simply connecting it to a power source using the USB cable. The good thing is that the internal battery on the new Keystone 3 Pro lasts about 10 times longer on a charge compared to the Gen 2 model. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge. It'll last several hours on standby mode, and even longer if you store the device completely shut off. Now let's dive into what I know really matters to you, and that is security. Honestly, I didn't think the previous Keystone Pro could get any more secure. However, the new model is the most secure hardware wallet on the market. First, we have the secure element chips. Notice I said chips, not just 1, but 3 secure element chips. This is the only wallet on the market that uses 3 secure element chips. The microchip and Maxim chip protect the seed phrase, while the third Maxim chip secures fingerprint data. These elements work together to provide security that we have never seen in a hardware wallet before. Also, the Keystone 3 Pro has an anti-tampering or self-destruct mechanism that completely wipes all data from the device if it is physically altered or tampered with. In fact, this is the first hardware wallet in the industry to pioneer a payment card industry security-grade anti-tampering system. So that means the secure element chips are encased in a sophisticated security house, so that way if anyone does open up the wallet and try to physically hack it or tamper with it in any way, it will completely eliminate all the data on the wallet so they can't access any of your crypto. Of course, it wouldn't be the Pro model without the biometric authentication. You can use your fingerprint to unlock the device and execute transactions without letting anyone know your PIN or passphrase if they happen to be looking over your shoulder. This feature can easily be toggled on and off, but I'll show you more on that later. Something new and exciting is the multiple seed phrase support. You can use up to 3 unique seed phrases in the Keystone 3 Pro. To switch between these wallets, all you have to do is enter the corresponding passwords that you create. So basically you have 3 wallets in one and no one will ever know. Along with the multi-seed phrase support, it also supports Shamir backup and multi-sig wallet options. It's also one of the first wallets to offer anti-blind signing. That way it decodes any transaction, the actual smart contract of the transaction, into a human readable form. That way we actually know what the heck we're looking at when we're signing a transaction using our Keystone wallet. One of the greatest fears that pretty much everyone has when choosing a hardware wallet is if it's open source or not. And fortunately, the Keystone Pro, both its software and hardware, are completely open source. This means anyone can check it out and ensure that there are no sneaky backdoors or vulnerabilities in the Keystone 3 Pro. Plus, Keystone teamed up with 2 trusted blockchain security firms, SlowMist and Keylabs, to give the Keystone 3 a thorough audit to ensure that there are no backdoors. Something new with the Keystone 3 is the optional air gap mode. Although air gap wallets are technically more secure than a non-air gap wallet because they eliminate any forms of external communication such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB, for example, not everyone likes to update the firmware using a micro SD card, so Keystone decided to make it optional. So you can choose to update your wallet offline using a micro SD card, which is not provided with the wallet. Once again, it wasn't provided with the Gen 2. It's not provided with the Gen 3 model. You can buy one at Walmart or on Amazon for just about $5. But if you don't want to use that method, you can use a USB cable, which is provided with the wallet, plug it into your computer, go to the website and update your wallet that way. It is just a little less secure. We now also have the flexibility to sign transactions in various ways through QR codes using a mobile phone or PC, or you can choose Bluetooth or the USB connection to confirm transactions now. By allowing users to decide how they want to use their Keystone 3 Pro, everyone can enjoy using it, from beginners to people like me who are super picky about the security of their wallet. Keystone wallets are also known for their direct compatibility with software software wallets such as MetaMask, OKX, and SushiSwap, just to name a few. According to a message I received directly from the Keystone team, to achieve full decentralization, the Keystone 3 Pro no longer uses the Keystone Companion app. Instead, they're integrating fully with a ton of third-party wallets like MetaMask to support thousands of different cryptocurrencies across numerous blockchain networks. Also, you have the option to stake using any of the integrated software wallets with the Keystone wallet. That said, the Keystone 3 Pro supports thousands of cryptocurrencies already, along with numerous blockchain networks, and we can expect more coins and networks to be added as more updates are released for this wallet. I will drop a link to all of the coins and hot wallets that is supported by the Keystone 3 Pro in the description for you. Now, when you stack up the Keystone 3 Pro against some of the top hardware wallet competitors like Ledger and Trezor, honestly, Keystone blows them all out of the water. It takes a lead in terms of price, security, and even user friendliness. Setting up the Keystone 3 Pro is super easy and straightforward, and if you opt to update the firmware using the USB, it's even quicker. Just power on the device, select your preferred language, and run a quick verification. This step ensures that the Keystone device and firmware remain untouched and secure. To verify your device, simply scan the QR code on the provided website and then enter the verification code. It's recommended that you update your Keystone 3 Pro the minute you receive it and turn it on. You can use the micro SD card to update it, aka the air gap mode, or you can quickly update it using the USB method, which is non-air gapped. The entire update process typically takes around 8 minutes to complete. If you go the USB route, it's a straightforward process. However, if you go the micro SD card route, first, you'll have to format the micro SD card into a FAT32 file format before putting the firmware onto the micro SD card and then inserting the SD card into your wallet to complete the firmware update. This method takes a bit longer, but it is the more secure method. Once the firmware is updated, you can create your wallet. You can choose to set a PIN code or a password, the password being the most secure option. After setting your passphrase, you can name your wallet and then choose one of two backup methods, a standard 24-word seed phrase, or you can choose to split your seed phrase into multiple shares using Shamir Backup. Once you've recorded and confirmed your chosen backup method, your wallet is created and now you are ready to use it. In the settings menu, you can set up your biometrics by tapping your finger several times on the fingerprint scanner. You can also add additional fingerprints if you want someone else to have access to your wallet. And using the hamburger icon on the wallet, you can add different blockchain networks. That way you can manage any coins that you want to hold on your Keystone 3 Pro wallet. If you've been eyeing another wallet or have heard about the security of other options, let me set the record straight. The Keystone 3 Pro is one of the best, if not the best, or rather the most secure hardware wallet on the market, and it won't break the bank. So if security is your top priority when it comes to hardware wallets, the Keystone 3 Pro is a no-brainer, at least in my opinion. For the best price on the new Keystone 3 Pro, use the link in the description, and then make sure to check out this next video where I debunk 9 hardware wallet myths. I'll see you next time.